Hello everyone, this is Venugopal. Today we are going to see instructions in C programming language. In my previous lecture, we have covered constants. We have seen the constants. So till now we have covered the character set, and then we have seen the important aspects like keywords, variables and constants. Now using these basic components, we are going to form now what? Instructions. So let us start how we are going to form this instruction using these keywords, variables and constants. So today our topic is instructions. Instructions means some commands. Some commands we are going to give to the machine to understand. Okay, so first basically whenever I am talking about instructions, so let us have some example, simple example. Already we have seen the variables. If I want to declare two variables, or let us consider that I want to add two numbers, for example. So what I will do, I'll declare a comma b. This is what we have already seen. This is called as a variable declaration. Variable declaration. So I have declared, I have taken one. You can say that this is one instruction as well. I am giving one instructions to the to the computer. Yes, computer, please take, please declare this A and B, right, which are going to be have integer type numbers. Right, so I can say this is nothing but this is instruction 1. And if you carefully observe this instruction, right, how I am making this instruction, see, for example, whatever the thing I am using here, this int, yeah, can you spell out what exactly mean by this int, or did we already see in this what exactly mean by int? Can I say it's nothing but it's a keyword? Already we have seen there are some reserved keywords available in C programming language. Thereafter, if I'll talk about this one, this A and B, this A and B, both are called as what? Yes, they are called as what? Variables. Variables are something, right, which are used to store some value. And if you carefully observe, we have used some different symbols as well here. For example, this comma and this semicolon, right? These are some special symbols that also we have seen. They are called as what? Special symbol. That means what? In one instruction, if you carefully observe, right, in one instruction, see, we are contributing, right, whatever the concepts we have learned, keyword we have learned, variables we have learned, and special symbols, these are the part of what? Character set. Okay, so this is first line. For example, if I'll come up with some more lines, suppose you are writing int a comma b. Just I said, this is, for example, we'll consider this as I'm giving one instruction to the computer. This is one instruction. Second instruction is what? I want to initialize these variables with some values like a is equals to 5 and b is equals to suppose 6. Again, I have written what? This is called as variable initialization. That means a first value giving to the variable a. I can say this is my instruction 2. The first instruction is declaration of the variable. Second instruction is what? Variable initialization. I will write here. It's also called as what? Variable initialization. These terminologies are very important as far as your programming concerned. This is also same thing. I can say this is my instruction number 3. After that, if I want to add these two numbers, what I will do here, I will simply add like a plus b. Okay, a means what? It is 5. B means what? It is 6. Okay, so this is an expression to, this is the expression for adding two numbers. So one more instruction. I can say this is instruction force. Likewise, if I want to print this, so we'll print this answer. But if I want to print this answer, right, the answer must be stored in some particular variable, one more variable where it consisting of the answer of this expression. So what I will do whenever I want to add two numbers, the reason is what I am declaring one more variable, C, or anything you can take like ANS I am taking. This is also one variable which is going to be declared as a int data type. That means it is also going to store the integer number. So here while adding in a plus b, I just put like ans is equals to whatever the result will be added here, that will be assigned where? That will be assigned to answer variable. And finally, I'll print this answer and the user will get the output like 1 1. 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. So if you carefully observe what I'm doing here, I'm writing line by line instructions. One instruction, second instructions, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. Right? This is nothing but instruction, and I'm writing the instructions by using what logic? By using this all keywords, alphabets, characters, whatever we have learned in my previous videos. Okay, and the same thing, the collection of these instructions, if you see carefully, this is nothing but what? This entire logic is going to add what? Two numbers. Okay, if I want to add two numbers programmatically, so these are the some of the basic steps. These are the some of basic instructions given to the computer, right? Then computer will back with this particular result. So I can say that the collection of these instructions is become what? I'm executing one program, right? So here only you will understand now what exactly mean by a program. What is program here? Simply, it's a collection of instructions is called as what? Program. Simple definition to understand. Collection of instructions is called as a program. As simple as that. That means what? Once you are ready with all basic constructs like character set, then we have learned keywords, variables, constants. With the help of this all what basic building blocks, right? We are able to write down what? Instructions. We are able to write down what? Instruction. And the collection of instructions will become what? Will become a program. So I hope you guys you are understanding now to reach out to any programming language, to reach any program or want to create any program, what are the basic steps actually we require to understand? If you are strong in these basic concepts, now the programming is not going to be very tough. It's very simple, because whatever the things whenever I'm talking about program, that means we need to execute the programs, we need to write the logic in this, like whatever we have seen for here, addition of two numbers. So I hope you have understood what exactly mean by instructions and what exactly mean by program. A program definition is what? A collection of instruction, or you can say that a set of instructions is called as a program, and this set of instructions will be placed in some particular blocks that we are going to discuss in my coming video. We are putting this all instruction inside one block, right? And of course I'm going to explain you everything in my upcoming videos. Okay, so I hope you are getting this concept, instructions, and how to write some instructions to become it's a program, right? We will meet in my next video, right, in which where I'm going to tell you the first program in C language and what are the editors they are used for writing these programs. Till then, bye bye, thank you.